All right, so this is how it all comes. Yeah, I don't think it looks too hard, so let's get to it. All right, so out of the box, this is what it looks like. Oh, something I wanted to point out, they actually had this bracket on wrong. So this was on already on this piece here. So it's just one piece here in this bracket. So basically we couldn't push the seat past this point because this was reversed. So if the bolt is facing this way over here, just simply pull this off, twist this off, and then turn this piece right here, turn it around. So it didn't take too long to put together. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to put together. I'll show you guys up close in a moment, but got everything adjusted. It's actually pretty nice. Yeah, I like it. Let me show you guys here. So this is what it looks like. So for this, just twist this out a little bit until it's, you have a little gap, and then it's an emergency stop. So you can just press in to stop it, and that stops that. The pulse reader does work. It's probably not going to show with one hand. Timer and everything works good. You can switch between different stuff on here as well. Place some stuff on top of here. So you just connect the pulse to the pulse, sensor to the sensor. Very simple and easy. You can adjust the height position, same for the back. And once you put this in, you just simply pull this out. You pull this out and then you push up or down to adjust. Overall, it's nice. It works good. And what I love about this, it actually doesn't take up much room. So if we look at it from a different angle straight down, it really doesn't take up much room. Overall, it's easy to, I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's definitely not hard to put together. It just takes a little time. But for the most part, it pretty much comes together. So I have no complaints. And of course, off camera, we've tested it probably about 35-40 minutes, and it just works good. Like, there's no issues with it. It's just a simple exercise bike, and it works great.